Well guys, I wanted to show you how I mounted my high lifter jack. And basically I just used the factory holes and I made a mount and then the bolts. And these bolts are the same size as my wheel lug nuts, so I only need one socket to do my wheel lug nuts, my spare wheel. Oh, I'll show you my spare wheel holder later on. But yeah, I'll take this off so you guys can actually see what it looks like. And these are actually 3/4 inch nylock, so they won't back off. I thought this would be the best place. A lot of guys mount it up high and on their roof rack, and that's fine and dandy. I just like to try to keep everything as low center of gravity as possible. These things are already top heavy. And then, there. So, again here, yeah, it was quite a few angles and all that, and I won't lie to you, I think I had to spot weld this with everything on. And so yeah, I just welded the bolt, and again it's a 1/2 inch bolt, that way it uses a 3/4 nut, and that would be the same socket that you need for your tires. So one less tool to carry around. There you go. So just for reference, these things center to center, looks like 24 1/4 inches. And I used 2 inch by 1/2 inch bolts with 3/4 inch nylock. Just like that, it's on. I'll show you a couple other things too that you can do to your Ranger if you like. What do you see there? That's a lock-in gas cap. Very handy to have in case someone that doesn't like quads doesn't put any dirt in it, or someone that's can't afford fuel. At the cost of fuel nowadays, they can't suck it out. But that's a very handy part to have. I wish Polaris had it. I actually had to get this from Bombardier, Can-Am. So what I did was I took my existing cap off and I walked into the Can-Am place and I says, hey, you guys have a locking gas cap that this will fit? And I took my gas cap, tried it on one of their machines that had a locking gas cap, and sure enough it fits. So well worth investment there, peace of mind. But yeah, that's another little thing you can do to your Ranger. So where do you guys keep your tools? Well, I have a few basic tools in my glove box and that, but very handy. I keep all my tools in a 5-gallon pail. It hasn't moved and I haven't flipped this thing yet, but it stays where it's put. And I even wrote on what I also have too. I'm going to give you an Easter egg. See if you guys can tell me what you think this is. Put it in the comments. What do you think that little glow light is for? In my next video, I'll tell you why I wish Rangers had this. Considering, well, up here in Canada, I paid over $20,000 for this brand new 2008. But why they don't put one of these on every Ranger, beyond me. But anyways, we'll talk about that in my next video. And good luck with your Ranger.